All right. What is up, guys? What is up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, welcome back. It's a pleasure to have you guys here with me. All right, let me just share my screen for you guys to see the charts. Let me share the screen right now. TradingView. All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It is me, myself, Chen Yu, and today I will be talking about and analyzing the charts, Euro USD, gold, and some other currency pairs of which you guys would like to request me to watch or to analyze for you guys. All right. So without further ado, let me delve right into the charts. Okay. So actually, currently, the news just came out about the preliminary GDP from the USD. All right. So we can actually currently see Euro USD, coming down. All right. And we can also see that the DXY has been bulling up on the 30 minutes time frame, which with high volume coming in, okay, with high volume coming into the market. So let me go to Euro USD first before I move on to the gold or DXY chart. Let's start on the daily time frame, shall we? Okay. So on the daily time frame, we have seen or I've analyzed for you guys on Tuesday that price has been, bearish as of this entire leg. Let me mark out the entire leg for you guys. This entire leg has been largely bearish, as you can tell, by the price action. Okay. However, it is currently hovering around a key demand zone. Okay. And what I mean by a key demand zone, okay, this entire zone here, that is the key daily time frame demand zone. All right, guys, that is the key demand zone to take note of. And that's the reason why I'm very wary of price in this region. I'm actively looking to see whether is there any form of exhaustion, for me to take potential longs in the market. However, as of right now, price is still very, very, very bearish. So for any intraday traders or scalpers, it is great for you to be taking shots in this market. If I were to go to the 4-hour time frame to take a quick look for you guys, we see a lot of buy side liquidity actually building up. Okay, and earlier in the month of February, when this was cleared, this liquidity hotspot has been cleared, that instantly triggered a bearish move down all the way to break the lows or to break structure at 1.0655 odds and reaching, okay, a level that is currently at, which is about 1.06 odds, right? So let me mark out this area, okay, because it is definitely very, very evident that there is a lot of buy side liquidity that is currently being built over there. All right, guys. So do bear in mind for that, because in the future, price would have to come up to clear those zones. All right. So as of right now, as I've mentioned, price have been largely still bearish. And if I'm looking for any kind of intraday shots, that would be perfect for any of you guys who wants to take shots too. Okay, so just some mark out that I've done. Okay, I've marked out the weekly low, and this weekly low has actually been cleared. So let me just mark that out for you guys, cleared. Okay, and this is the previous daily high. Sorry, this is like the previous daily high 2 days ago or 3 days ago. All right, yes, 3 days ago. Yes, so this high would just be called the swing high for now. Okay, this high here will be called the swing high. Let me mark that out as the swing high. Okay. All right. So let me go down to the lower time frame. I'm sure you guys are very curious to know the analysis and the outlook for it. Okay. On the lower time frame, we're talking about the 1 hour time frame. Sorry about that. We're talking about the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Currently, price is very, very bearish because it's forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, which is a market fact. Okay, and I've marked out personally myself. I've marked out a few zones. Okay, being the first zone would be this zone here at 1.06647, which price have very, very nicely actually tapped into and cleared. Okay, followed by a second zone that could be a potential point of interest for me if I myself is taking any forms of shorts, this would be this area here at 1.0639. That area is something that I am looking at, okay, because it's actually the fair value gap and there's a bit of a market imbalance. And not just that, okay, it is actually there's a presence of some buy side liquidity over here, guys. All right, so that is an area that I would be looking out for. Okay, however, currently we see price actually rebounded off this very tiny lower time frame 5 minutes zone over here, and it's currently showing a lot of very strong bearish momentum over here in the market. All right, guys, so let's look to the left, and I've actually marked out a potential point of target for the bear pressure and the bear movement to potentially stop at, and to see how price will be reacting off that point of target. Okay, if you look all the way to the left, and the reason why I have that point of target is because this is actually a bullish order block. Okay, all right, this area here is actually a bullish order block. All right, these days bullish order blocks like that is very rarely seen, so I do believe that price could potentially reject off this area. Also bearing in mind that this specific low here is actually a monthly or the weekly time frame swing low. Okay, so let me put weekly swing low. Yes, so guys, that is an area that we will want to see and to identify how price reacts off. All right, so if I was to go all the way back to the current price action, all right, we can actually see and observe, all right, that price is bearish on 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. Personally, for me, I believe that this very, very strong market inefficiency can be cleared. Okay, this area can be cleared. However, okay, we will want to make sure for us to actually enter on any shorts, we want to see a break of structure, not on the 15 minutes time frame, but on the very, very small fractal time frames, such as the 1 minute time frame or the 3 minutes time frame. All right, guys. So that is an area that I will be looking at, and I believe that this low here can very easily be cleared. All right, guys. So that would be it on the euro dollar. Okay, I believe price have potential to continue heading down. Okay, if not, it could potentially go back up, retrace back to my point of interest before heading back down. All right, so those are areas that I am actually looking for. So without further ado, let me go right to the gold chart. Okay, well, let's talk about the DXY chart first. Personally, I believe the DXY can tap into 104.9 regions. Okay, that is my forecast for you guys. That is because also you can see that it's a very strong bearish order block over here. Okay, so I believe price can actually reach that area and continue higher. All right, so if we actually go to the chart of gold for you guys to see, we see very, very strong bearish momentum coming in onto the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I've actually talked about the overall higher time frame on gold 2 days ago. So if you guys would like to check that out, make sure to look for the live stream 2 days ago on Tuesday, or yesterday live stream when my partner actually live streamed as well. However, I'm gonna go straight to the 30 minutes time frame to analyze price action. Okay, so we see this high here being cleared first off. Okay, let me just use my brush for clearer views. Okay, so this high here has been cleared. Okay, currently this entire wick here has respected this area, this high, which is actually a supply zone that's being respected, followed by very strong bearish momentum coming down. Okay, guys, followed by very strong bearish momentum coming down, followed by a retracement before continued bearish momentum. In this, it is very, very, very strong and clear, the bearish momentum coming in onto gold. And I believe that price can come down lower. Okay, so I actually would like to see some kind of retracement first before looking for further shorts. However, we will be waiting to see how price reacts for the chart of gold. Currently, it's also apparent that you have already cleared this swing low over here, or this low over here, and it's currently rejecting off that area. Okay, something that gold very, very much likes to do. So that would be it for today's live stream, guys. Okay, I'll be talking about Euro USD and gold. As I've mentioned mentioned, if any of you guys are interested in any other currency pairs that you would like us to analyze, do leave that in the comment section below. Okay, so that will be it from me today, guys. Okay, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to follow our social media links. Okay, that would be DogeStonks and Chen_Yu. DogeStonks, which is my partner. Okay, he publishes a lot of daily forecasts and potential forecasts coming in onto gold, coming onto the euro dollar, coming onto the US PPI drops. He publishes a lot about it. So do take note of that, okay, or do check those out. All right, guys. So, and also you can also check mine out, my channel, which is Chen_YU. Okay, I actually post ideas on a very frequent basis when I see a potential short or trade idea, and I do on gold, euro dollar, the chart of gold, a lot on euro dollar and gold, and also I do on Bitcoin sometimes and GBP, JPY. Okay, so make sure to do follow both our social media links, which is DogeStonks and Chen_Yu. Or you guys can come into our Instagram channel, okay, Instagram page, and I'll leave the links below on the description, and make sure to click on it. All right, without further ado, I will end my live stream here today, and me and Yongting will actually catch you guys again next week. All right, guys. Okay, it's been a pleasure to have you guys, and I will catch you guys again next Tuesday. All right, see you guys. Bye.